Hello and welcome back to Next tutorial. I am Imran and today we are going to learn something very important. Today we are going to start a new topic. It will be about mkdir, make directory. In last video we talked about changing a directory and embedding command in that. So today we are going to start our new lesson. It will be very important for you to learn, and it is the thing that if you learn you will be so good in Kali Linux. I'll make a little increase the size of it. Now it look good. This command is mkdir, make directory. In Linux we call directory to a folder. In Windows operating system actually we say it's a folder, but in Linux if I tell a directory naming is a folder. Okay, what this command do actually? This command will create a directory for us. Okay, mkdir and type a name with it. Make a directory. By which name you want? For example, I want this name by that name. It's the option. Okay, I'm coming change directory to stop because I will show you in graphical form. Now I'm in the stop. mkdir, make a directory by the name of university. Okay, university. It will create a directory for me by the name of university. Okay, it has been created. What I'm doing, I'm going to change my current directory and I'm going to come to university directory, to this directory. Okay, now I'm in university directory. In university directory I want to create a new directory, mkdir by the name of faculties. Okay, now I have created a new directory. Show me what directory you have created. You have created a new directory by the name of faculty. I will tell to change my directory and go to this directory. Okay, now in this directory, inside this directory, change my directory and go to faculty directory. Now I'm in faculty directory. Show me what is inside the faculty directory. There is nothing inside faculty directory. I'm going to work on a chart. Okay, it will be so important for we will first read this one. Actually we will work on this chart because you will know better, you will get the concept good. I will snap it to right. Let's close this one. I want to create a chart like this. Okay, I will minimize a little the size. I think now it is good. Yeah, now it is good. I will increase the size of it a little. I don't know why not taking there. Okay, but leave it. Okay, we can do our work here. See, just look. I want to create I will close this one first. We will create this like this. Okay, like this. In this forum we will create directories, which is for example I need a directory by the name of university. Inside this directory I need 3 another directories by the name of BCS, economy and language. Inside the BCS I need 2 another directories, IT, software. Inside economy, accounting. Inside language, this 3. How I do it? Okay, I will increase the size of this terminal a little and close the other terminal in the back side of it. First I will change my directory to desktop. Okay, because I will show you how it works. Basically, mkdir, make a directory by the name of university for me. It has been created. Okay, change my directory current location and go to university directory. Now I am inside the university directory. I need to create this 3 folder. Okay, mkdir, make a directory by the name of BCS. mkdir, make another directory by the name of economy. mkdir, make another directory by the name of language. Okay, now it has been created. You see, inside the university directory we have created this 3 other directory. Now I want to create this 2 as well as So I will change my current directory location cd cdbcs, okay, or computer science. Mkdir, make a directory by the name of IT, and make a directory by the name of software S50. Now come back to this economy, okay, to university, and enter to this economy and create this one, okay. cd dot dot, we have told you about this. If you haven't seen this video, go back and see that video to understand this, okay. And now I'm in university, I will change my current location to go to the economic folder, economy. As now I'm in economy location, I'm here for now I'm in economy location. I'm creating a new folder inside the economy. mkdir, and make a directory by the name of accounting. It has been created, and I'm back one step. Now I'm in university back, I'm here back. So I will change my current location to the language, the cd language. Now no such file directory, it is language. Actually it is by big letter, it's case sensitive, you should complete write in a big letter. Anything, I have created this folder, the first letter is in a big size, capital, so I should write the capital. Now I have write this. Now I'm in language directory, I'm here. So I'm creating this three other directory too. mkdir, make a directory by the name of ANG or English, okay. Make a directory, another directory by the name of French, make another directory by the name of Arabic. Now actually I will show in graphical mode. See, it's university folder, okay. I have created university. Inside the university I have three other folder, BCS economy and language. Inside BCS I have IT and software. I will open this BCS to show you. See brothers, this is the folder that we have created inside this. I'm back to university, I will show economy. Inside economy I have created this folder, okay. Inside language folder, see, we have another three folder directories we have created. Actually what we want, we have do it, okay. But it is so hard for us, okay, that every time that we should write or create such a directory, it will take much time from us, and time is gold, okay. How do we create this directory in a short time, okay. Just open the terminal, I will show you something very important in a shortcut, okay. I will increase the size. First, change your current location to desktop, okay. Desktop. Now I'm in desktop, I'm mkdir, make a directory first by the name of university. It have been created, okay. It have been created. I need to create this three directory at once. How I create this, okay. mkdir, make a directory by the name of bcs, another one by the name of economy. Just hit the passwords or give a space, okay. A space will help you to create directories. One backup, one, if you hit the space button, see there's a space between them, okay. Just write the name, then it will work whatever you want, okay. I need this three folder inside that oh sorry, first I should change my current directory to go university directory, okay. University directory, cd university. Now I'm in university directory. I need to create this three folder inside the university folder, okay. mkdir, make a directory by the name of bcs space economy, another one economy, another one language, okay. Now it has been created three directories inside this, okay. In one command we have created three directory at once. Now I should create this two other folder too, and shortcut forum cd change my current directory to bcs. I'm in bcs now create this two directory, okay. mkdir bcs IT and software, okay. See, in short I will tell you that at work this space will help us to create multiple directories at once, okay. I will close the terminal. Now I want to create like this in this forum. How we can do that? For example, university, faculty, department, IT time. This I need a folder by the name of university. Inside this university I need a faculty folder. Inside the faculty folder I need this department folder. I need inside this department IT in time. But if I create directories one by one, okay, for example I will create two, change my current location to desktop, mkdir, create a directory by the name of university. If this file already existed, mkdir university, okay, it has been created by a capital, it's a small letter, okay. So I need to change my current directory to university, okay. Now I'm in university. Say mkdir, make a directory by the name of faculty. It has been created, okay. Inside this we can do like this, okay, but I want to tell you something very important that will help us to create multiple directories inside one another by using a simple command or hash, not hash, like a happen we use with mkdir. It is mkdir. First I will come to desktops, change my current location to desktop, okay. Yeah, it will change us desktop. Now I'm in desktop. I need to create, I need to create first this one, okay. It is so important. If you didn't create, if you want to create like this forum, okay, you should type mkdir -p stand for parents, okay. It has a long format like like you can double minus and write parents, okay. It will work the same. The shortcut form is -p. It will work the same like parent. Now I need to create in this forum, okay. First I will type university, okay. Inside university faculty, inside faculty department, inside IT, another one time. You should always write -p and this hash, okay, or this slash. You should not forget that. Inside time you can also write anything. I will do 2, okay. Just press enter button, you will have this all. Now see, I have opened the university folder. I'm in the faculty folder. Inside faculty department, inside department IT, inside IT time, inside 2, okay. It is something that we can do it by -p. I will increase the size of this terminal a little, okay, to show you the another thing or flag that we use with mkdir or make directory command is mkdir -v. What actually do, okay. First I come to desktop, change my current directory to desktop, cd desktop for now in desktop, okay. What I want to create a new directory, mkdir -v. What -v stand for? It will tell us is the directory created or not, okay. I am creating a new directory by the name of I will create by the name of India, okay. I want to create this directory by the name of India, okay. So see, mkdir created directory India. They say that the India directory has been created, okay, and this have been created. So I want to create another time. See, mkdir -v India see, cannot create directory India. -v will tell us if the directory has created or not, okay. You have got the concept of this too. One thing, another lift I will tell you about is it's also important for you. Will increase the terminal size a little and change my current location to stop, please. Stop, okay. Yeah, have been working. Now I'm in the stop. Create a mkdir, create a directory by the name of university if it has been created. But from this place I want to create another directory inside the university directory. How I do this? Okay, I will type mkdir, make a directory in university. In university, what is the name of that? I want to create a directory inside the university. Okay, by the name of Khan. Okay, enter the enter button. Okay, hit the enter button. Now see, we have created another one inside this. Without going to university, change my current location, I created a directory inside this university directory. I will delete this one. Okay, it has been deleted. I will clear a terminal. I need to create a directory like this. Okay, from desktop. If I be in desktop and I want to create like this, okay, in a short form, just come here to show you. First I'm telling you to mkdir, create a directory by the name of a university. Okay, it has been created. Now create 3 other folder for me inside this university. Okay, I will say mkdir, create 3 directories, create directory inside university directory. Okay, by which name you should use this one, this curly brackets. I need directory to create inside this. Just type the directory name by the name of one directory IT, another one SF, another one HR. Okay, I want to create directory in this root directory, this 3 subdirectories, father directory and son directories. A father which has 3 son. Okay, for example like this. Now hit enter button and see this 3 folder has been created. Remember one thing, one troubleshoot, that you should never use here in this place space. It will not work. Okay, you should not use space not working directly. You should use the comma. I think for now it is for today it will be enough, because the video length will get increased and you will not learn it, because if the video size is big, people not actually see it for the end. If you like this video, give us like and comment and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for your watching. Thanks.